Good morning to all of you. Yesterday we started discussion on this topic, prism and pyramid, and some general knowledge related to prism and pyramid we discussed yesterday, and we are going to continue the same topic today also. So there is the figure of cylinder. It is a type of prism because its cross sections are same, upper portion and lower portion is same. Similarly, here is a triangular prism. First one, circular prism. This is called cylinder. Second, it is triangular prism in which two triangles are right angled and whose areas are equal. Both triangles are equal to each other. And this is also a triangular prism in which cross sections are visible. These portions are called cross section. From anywhere it is possible to cut, and if we are getting same area as its front area or back area are cross sections, बीचबाट जहाँसुकैबाट काट्दा पनि सेम आउँछ, त्यसैलाई क्रस सेक्सन भन्छ. फर एक्जाम्पल फ्रम हियर इफ विल कट थ्रू इट, यो पोर्सनबाट काट्दियौँ भने सिलिन्डरलाई फेरि यहाँनिर तल या माथिको जस्तै क्रस सेक्सन आउँछ. फर दिस पिरामिड प्रिज्म अल्सो इफ विल कट फ्रम हियर, यहाँबाट यसरी काट्यौँ भने फेरि जो फ्रन्ट साइडमा ट्रायंगल थियो त्यस्तै ट्रायंगल यहाँ पनि आउँछ. सेम ट्रायंगल इज obtained, and these are cross sections. These triangles are cross sections for the prism. And we discussed about cone also as well as the pyramid. And in cone as well as in pyramid, there are some surfaces about those we have to know, that is slant height. Slant height is not drawn here on this figure. Let me draw it. This is slant height. This one is 90 degree here. And these both for cone as well as for pyramid, these are slant heights. And these vertical lines which makes angle of 90 degree to the base ma 90 degree banayega vertical line, these are called heights or generally vertical heights. These vertical lines are heights or vertical heights. And similarly for the pyramid, each and every line connecting the vertices of the base to uppermost point, these four lines, four edges, चारतिरबाट गएका माथिसम्म पुग्ने यो लाइनहरु, these are called the edges and denoted by E. Slant height is denoted by L. Yesterday also we discussed about it. Height is denoted by H. Here it is the radius of circular cone, radius R, and base of pyramid is denoted by A. This is A, this one is R, it is H, this one is also H, this is slant height, this one is also slant height. Now there are many arrows, so let me clear it and let's move to next slide. After knowing about the figures, again here is a prism and we are going to discuss about formulas related to prism. Lateral surface area is perimeter of triangular base into height, that is A plus B plus C into H, sum of three sides into height, and total surface area of the prism is 2 into area of base plus lateral surface area. That means 2 into area of base plus lateral surface area is P into H. and volume of prism is A into H. And next one is cone. As I already said, let me repeat it so that you can remember these. This one is slant height and it is denoted by L. This one is radius and denoted by R. This vertical line represents the vertical height, or simply we can say height. It is denoted by H. If it is denoted by H, if radius is denoted by R and slant height is denoted by L, to find out the curved surface area of this cone. Curved surface area or lateral surface area of cone means the same thing. This outer portion, outer curved portion is its curved surface area. And to find out the curved surface area, we have to use this formula pi RL. Pi RL. And how this formula is derived, that is given in your book. You may observe your book. Or this cone is made, the piece, outer portion, outer curved surface is cut into small pieces. सानो piece बनाएर काट्नु पर्छ यसलाई फर्स्टमा. At first we have to cut it in this way by making small piece. अब यो कोनको एरियालाई यसरी कहाँबाट काट्नु पर्ने हो त? यो पोर्सनबाट काट्नु पर्ने हो. We have to cut from here small and equal pieces. And after cutting in this way, यसरी काटिसकेपछि यो हरेक piece, each and every piece must be arranged in vertical as well as horizontal way. माथिबाट एउटा जाने हो, फेरि अर्को पिसलाई यसरी तल अरेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो. And this is the slant height L, and this one is the radius of circumference of the circle. यो तलपट्टिको यो पुरै circumference आउँछ सर्कल को. It will be 2 pi r for the small circle, 2 pi r. And while inverting, these all portion removed from the cone. यो सबै रिमुभ गरिसकेपछि एउटा पोर्सन माथि फर्काएर एउटा पोर्सन तल फर्काएर राख्दै गरेपछि यसको लेन्थ कति आउँछ त टोटल? जो यो 2 pi r को हाफ मात्रै आउँछ यो लेन्थ. This length of new rectangle formed here after putting these pieces taken from the cone. कोन लाई काटेर लिएका पिसहरु तल र माथि गर्दै गएपछि आधा माथि आधा तल आउँछ. यसको लेन्थ बन्छ pi r मात्रै. रेक्टेंगल जुन बन्छ त्यसको लेन्थ pi r बन्छ. And this is the slant ideal pi r into L गरेर यसको कर्व्ड सर्फेस एरिया आउँछ. बाहिरको कर्व्ड सर्फेस एरिया of the cone is obtained in that way. So that is pi r L, pi r into L. Similarly, total surface area of it to the curved surface area, base area, that means area of the circle. You can observe the circle here. Area of this circle is added to pi r L. यसैमा pi r square add भएको. If pi r square is added to it, this becomes the total surface area plus pi r square. And from both, pi r is common and remaining value here is L and remaining value here is R. यहाँबाट R बच्यो and it becomes pi r times R plus L. And next one is volume. Its volume is 1/3 pi r square H. We discussed about cylinder previously also. Cylinder के हो भन्ने कुरा, sorry, volume of cylinder, area of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder, about those we discussed previously also. And this cone is 1/3 part of the cylinder. If we'll check it clearly, I am drawing figure over it. Look at this one. I made the cylinder and inside it there is cone. And this cone is 1/3 of the cylinder. Your cylinder ko total टोटल सिलिन्डर को 1/3 स्पेस मात्रै अकुपाई गरे हुन्छ कोनले. सो भोल्युम अफ सिलिन्डर इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. एज यू नो पाई आर स्क्वायर एच भोल्युम अफ सिलिन्डर हामीले पढेका छौं. बेस एरिया इन्टु हाइट. एरिया अफ बेस इज पाई आर स्क्वायर इन्टु हाइट, पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. एन्ड कोन इज इट्स 1/3 पार्ट ओन्ली. टोटल सिलिन्डरलाई 3टा पार्टमा डिभाइड गरेर एउटा पार्ट कोन हो. It is 1/3 pi r square h. And next formula which we have to remember here while doing our calculations, while doing the numericals from our exercise, त्यहाँ भएको क्वेशन्सहरु गर्दा के चाहिन्छ त. This is also needed here, and this comes from Pythagoras theorem. यो Pythagoras theorem बाट आयो. कसरी आयो? Look at this right angled formed inside the cone. There is one right angled triangle. This is right angled triangle formed to right side. Right side में यो right angled triangle बनाया था. यो right angled triangle में hypotenuse कौन होता? Which one is hypotenuse here? Slant height is hypotenuse, isn't it? यो भयो hypotenuse. Yes. And this is perpendicular. This one is base. Radius जुन तलको छ base. Height is perpendicular, slant height is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse always lies opposite to 90 degree. So in place of hypotenuse square, we have to put L square. In place of perpendicular square, we have to put H square. In place of B square, we have to put R square here. Just it is obtained from Pythagoras theorem. H square, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of perpendicular and base. Next one, pyramid, square based pyramid. Here we are going to talk about square based pyramid only, especially this base is square one. So for it, its lateral surface area. Let me show its lateral surface area to you clearly. Lateral surface area भनेको एउटा triangle यहाँ छ. This is one lateral surface. One of the lateral surface, and there is another lateral surface at right side, and next one back side. At back side also there is one triangle. This is another part of lateral surface, red colored part. And front side, at front side also there is one triangle. This is fourth part of the lateral surface. So lateral surface of pyramid contains 4 triangles. One red colored triangle at back side, at left side yellow colored triangle at right side, and at left side blue colored triangle, and front side, which color is this? Purple color. So these 4 triangles are there. And lateral surface area of pyramid is made up of these 4 triangles. Means we have to find out area of these 4 triangles while finding the lateral surface area of this pyramid. Pyramid को lateral surface area भनेको यो 4वटा triangleहरुको area हो. And to find out the area of triangles, we know the formula. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. Triangle को area को formula त्यही हुन्छ 1/2 base into height. Look at the triangle where I have drawn its height. यसको height भर्खरै draw गरे मैले. For this right side triangle, right side मा भएको triangle को height draw गरे. For this one, this is the base and it is height. If we know the base and height, we can calculate its area. Area of this right side triangle, 1/2 base into height. And how many triangles are there in total? There are 4 triangles, isn't it? In this pyramid, there are 4 triangles: left side, right side, back side, and front side. 4 triangles are there. And value of this base, we denoted this base by A. एकछिन अगाडि हामीले फिगर बनाउँदा यो बेसलाई A भनेर डिनोट गरेका छौं. and this height is denoted by slant height L, your slant height O, and this is denoted by edge E, it is denoted by H, vertical height. यसलाई vertical height भनेर denote गरेका छन्. Okay, so in place of this base, in this B, in place of this B, we have to put this A here. यो A राख्नु पर्यो. Similarly, in place of this height, we have to put this slant height L, and it gives us this lateral surface area. If we cancel out this, 4, 2 to the 4, what remains here? 2 only. So lateral surface area is 2AL. Lateral surface area of pyramid is area of 4 triangles, that is 2 times A into L. Same thing we'll write here. It is also called area of triangular faces. 2AL, lateral surface area, is also called area of triangular faces. Now, if area of this square, which is at its base, यो pyramid को base मा भएको square को area, A square lateral surface area मा add गरिदिएपछि total surface area आउँछ, and lateral surface area is 2AL. That means total surface area of pyramid is A square plus 2AL. These two are the formula related to lateral surface area and total surface area. Similarly, volume of pyramid, as like we said, cone is formed from the cylinder. Cone बनाउँदा cylinder बाटै बनाइन्छ भने हो त्यसरी नै pyramid is formed of cuboid. यसलाई cuboid बाट बनाइन्छ. Let me complete the cuboid here so that you can understand it properly. And inside this cuboid there is the pyramid. As like cone is 1/3 of the pyramid, sorry, 1/3 of the cylinder, pyramid is 1/3 of this cuboid. यो cuboid को 1/3 हुन्छ. And if we will find out the volume of this cuboid, this base is A, this is also A, and this is equal to height. यो भित्रको height जति छ त्यही height यहाँ पनि हुने हो, vertical height H, and area of this cuboid is A into H, that is A square H, and its 1/3 is volume of pyramid 1/3 A square H. This is the simple formula to find out volume of pyramid. So volume of this pyramid is 1/3 times area of base into height, which is equal to 1/3 A square H. And some other things as like cone, that means the formula obtained by using Pythagoras theorem also we have to learn here. That means look at this triangle here. We have to look at 2 triangles now, not a single. Look at triangle formed inside pyramid. Pyramid भित्र बनेको triangle हेर त. For this triangle, hypotenuse is slant height and perpendicular is vertical height. And base, what is the value of this base? Base कति होला त? Vertical height पनि थाहा भयो, slant height पनि थाहा भयो. What is the value of this base? That is equal to half of length of base. यसको half हुने हो. Square को length A छ भने A/2. Okay. This one is A/2. Here also it will be A/2 and A/2. कहाँसम्मको part A/2 हुन्छ यहाँदेखि यो slant height सम्मको, from here to this one. These are also A/2 and A/2. This vertical one is H. This slanted one is L, and this outer line is E. So in this inner triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, it will be L square is equal to H square plus A by 2 square. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. From that, we will get the formula L square is equal to H square plus A by 2 square. Again, if we look at another triangle formed here outside, बाहिरको जुन lateral surface मा बनेको triangle छ, यो triangle लाई हेर्यौं भने opposite to 90 degree, opposite to this 90 degree edge E is hypotenuse, L is perpendicular, A by 2 is base. So from it we will get another formula, that is edge square is equal to slant height square plus square of half of base. Let's move to questions. So one more thing is remaining, that is the triangular pyramid. That means pyramid formed on the triangle. This question is also asked sometimes. Syllabus मा दिएको हुनाले कहिलेकाहीँ सोध्न सक्ने question हो. This is the base which I colored here. यो base मा माथि pyramid बनेको छ. This is triangular pyramid, and here we are going to learn about equilateral triangle based pyramid only. यो triangle को सबै साइडहरु इक्वल छन्, यो तल बेस को यिनीहरु इक्वल छन्. So again, to find out the volume, curved surface area or lateral surface area or total surface area, we will use same procedure. Its volume is equal to 1 by 3 area of base into height, 1 by 3 area of base into height. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 area of base into its height. Its height is not given, that we have to draw from here. यहाँबाट एउटा vertical line जुन जसले base सँग 90 degree को angle बनाउँछ, त्यसैलाई height भन्ने हो, vertical height. And here will be also slant height, as like the pyramid, other pyramids. The equilateral triangle based pyramid हो, यसमा पनि slant height हुन्छ. And to find out the lateral surface area, there are 3 triangles only, 1 to back side and 2 at front side, left and right 2 triangles and 1 at back side. Lateral surface area, if we add this base also, that will give us its total surface area. So for it, just look at the formula for equilateral triangle based pyramid. Lateral surface area is 3 by 2 AL. 1 by 2 base into height is the area of one triangle, 1 by 2 base into height, and there are 3 triangles, so it is 3 by 2 AL. And total surface area, area of this base equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 4 A square plus lateral surface area 3 by 2 A into L. It is total surface area root 3 by 4 A square plus 3 by 2 AL. Similarly, volume is 1 by 3 area of base into height. Area of base, area of this equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square into H. This is the volume of equilateral triangle based pyramid. So let's move to exercise 7.1 now. It is related to prism. Question asked to us is find the base area, lateral surface area, and total surface area of the following triangular prism. Some triangular prism are given. For those, we have to find out first base area, second lateral surface area, and third total surface area. So look at this prism in which there is triangle ABC, DEF also, and height of this prism is 30 centimeter, perpendicular and base for the right angle triangle are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Same thing we have to write here, perpendicular is 12 centimeter, base is 5 centimeter. Hypotenuse AC is not given. We need all 3 sides to find out the lateral surface area, because lateral surface area is equal to perimeter into height. So to find out the perimeter, all 3 sides are needed. For that, use Pythagoras theorem and find out the hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem says that square of hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse AC is not given, perpendicular is 12, base is 5. If we'll put these values, it becomes 12 square plus 5 square. Value of 12 square is 144 and 5 square is 25. Then h square is equal to 144 plus 25, 169. Then what will be the value of h? H is 13. Now we get all three sides of the triangle. Triangle को तीनटे side आ रहा है. Hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. This one is 13 centimeter. So now we can find out the perimeter of triangle easily for our lateral surface area. It is said to find out base area at first. So we know the formula for area of triangle. Base means the cross sections. Twitter triangular like base go. These are the bases. Two triangles are base. So we have to find out base area means we have to find out area of one triangle, not two triangles. So area of right angled triangle is 1/2 P into B. 1/2 perpendicular into base. It is equal to 1/2, 12 into 5. If we will cancel out this 12/2, what remains here? 6 only. And 6 5 it is 30. Base area is 30 square centimeter. And after finding base area, it is said to find out lateral surface area. For lateral surface area, at first let me write height of prism here. Height of prism is 30 centimeter because lateral surface area is equal to perimeter of triangle into height of prism. So perimeter of triangle is A plus B plus C, sum of all sides, P plus B plus H, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, into height. Height means height of this triangular prism. Triangular prism height 30 centimeter. I added all sides here, 12 plus 5 plus 13. This 12 plus 5 plus AC 13 into height of the prism is 30. The total 12 plus 5 plus 13. It is 30. 30 into 30. 900 square centimeter is the lateral surface area of given triangular prism. And after knowing lateral surface area of this triangular prism, to find out total surface area, two triangles, which area 30 centimeters. We have calculated area of one triangle. Euta triangle ko area calculate kari શકે છો. Multiply this by 2 to get area of two triangles plus lateral surface area. So total surface area is always 2 times area of triangle plus lateral surface area. It is 2 into 30 plus 900. That means 60 into plus 900. By adding 60 and 900, it is 960 square centimeter. And this is our required answer. Next question given in same question number 1 is this one. So for this also we have to find out base area, lateral surface area and total surface area. Base area for it is equilateral triangle. It's my equilateral triangle. So abhi ko right angle triangle थियो, here is equilateral triangle. So base area will be root 3/4 A square, isn't it? It is base area. And height is given. Height of prism is 10 root 3 centimeter. And what will be the perimeter? Perimeter of this triangle will be 12 plus 12 plus 12 or 3 into 12, 36 centimeter. By multiplying perimeter with height, we will get lateral surface area.